This is video 27. Video 27. This might break my record. I think my record is 28. So this is a tied record. This is a whole month's worth of videos I'm recording now. The bad part is going to be editing them, of course. If you know me, you know I hate editing. Oh well. I am your Pokemon World Champion and YouTube Shorts Champion. And what do we have today? I have Chilling Reign, Rebel Clash, Brilliant Stars, Evolving Skies, and Astral Radiance. Very nice selection of packs. And soon as Pokemon Go comes out, I will have it. Order 2 ETBs. I ordered 2 ETBs already. I might order 1 more or 2 more, depending if Corv has any or if he can get any. We'll see. But I'm going to have Pokemon Go as soon as it comes out. Let's start with Chilling Reign. Let us begin. Pack trash. Code card. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's do it. Full Metal Energy. Old Cemetery. Kakuna. Blannery. Sneasel. Snowbirds. Blitzel. Ghastly. Coughing. Venipede for the reverse and for the finale. Savin, please, sir. The duck. The only. That guy. Savin. Doug Trio, nothing. Okay, Doug Trio almost threw my bulk away. Don't do that. Rebel Clash. Let us again. Pack trash. Code card. 1, 2, 3, 4. This Rebel. Watch. Rebels. Not play with me, Rebel. Chidori. Metapod. Speed Energy. Is this Rebel? I think this is Rebel. Palpalare. Yeah, this is Rebel. Phantom. Vulpix. Unipie. Darumaka. Galarian Style. Applin. Probopass for the reverse for the finale. Copperaja for the hit. And that gets the tie. Seal of approval. I think it was. What was it? I think it was. Let's do. Yeah, let's do it. Copperaja for the hit this time around. Brilliant Stars. My phone is dying. Come on! Pack trash. Code card. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's do this. Third Eye Energy. Fracture. Weavile, because I see it all. Friends and Galler. Thorough. Magma. Staryu, Sock, Bunify, Executor for the reverse and for the finale. Muck, nothing there. Okay, time to blow past this. Evolving Skies. Let us begin. Like trash. Code card. 1, 2, 3, 4. Evolving Skies. Hidden Relief Energy. Pyro. Vigoroth, Treasure Energy, Pikachu, Seedots, Lillipup, Bagon, Litleo, Floette for the reverse and for the finale. Eldegoss Hollow. Got the Copperaja, which is the biggest hit so far. Let's hope Astro has something for me. Let us again. I pulled so much out of Astro already. I think the booster box is burnt. Code card. I'm hoping it has some more in there. Come on. Fireball Jutsu. Bisharp. Trekking Shoes. Magneton. Hippopotamus. Cyndaquil. Quillfish. Hisuian Style. Growlithe. Hisuian Style. Bergmite with the Trader. The Weevil for the reverse and for the finale. Hisuian Overquill. Okay. All right, a holo and a V will have to do it for today. My camera and my phone is dying, so I gotta wrap this up. My name is Alexander Leviathan, and I am your Pokemon World Champion and YouTube Shorts Champion. And I hope to see you again tomorrow for more, where I'll give you more, 5 more. I think I got 5 more scheduled. That'd be it. Just these packs are what's left. Yep, these packs are what's left, and I'm out of stock for my videos. Gotta go re-up, but that will be probably video 29. So we'll see. And Valor, make sure everybody had a good time. And Super V, please bring them back tomorrow for more.